Well, hello there. My name is Vinny Voodoo. Got a completely different video for people today. It's actually for SHAREfactory users on the PlayStation. That's the edit software that most of us use to actually make our videos in the actual system itself. The biggest problem you've got is if you record all your audio in-game, as I do, and then want to put things over the top of it, you end up with a picture-in-picture effect. There's no way around that. You can either record all your audio entirely in SHAREfactory, which is a pain, or you can actually put up with the picture-in-picture as I've just put up there. I've got Death Stranding showing there in the bottom right, and I've got Warzone playing at the top. Now imagine I only want to hear the audio from Death Stranding, but I don't want to see it. Let's pause it there. So I only want to see the visuals of Warzone, but I want to hear what would be my audio commentary track underneath it. Believe it or not, none of the picture-in-picture settings allow you to do that. You can go full screen, but that'll go full screen on track 2. So how do you do it? It's very, very simple. Edit track 2, as you would, and then press triangle, which is a little known option, which you may never have even used before, and it actually takes you to this screen. Now press X, which is settings, and you've got different keys, such as chroma key, white screen key. We're actually going to choose cutout. Select that, and it'll actually put a vignette around it. Now, anywhere there's a checkerboard there will show through to track 1. So if I back out, you'll actually see what that looks like. There, it's in the bottom right-hand corner currently, the picture-in-picture. And you may see where I'm going there. All you have to do is make that radius 0. So how do you do that? Well, again, edit track 2, press triangle, and then go to edit settings, which is square there, and then you select the radius to 0, and you select the feathering because there's a bit of blur there to 0 as well. It does leave 1 pixel, which I guarantee you didn't see, but it is there. But I'm okay with that. Confirm that, back out, and now we have a situation where I have full screen visuals of track 1, but audio from track 2. So from here on out, none of my videos will have that picture-in-picture effect unless I choose it to. And again, I'll put it back to the way it was. Edit track 2, triangle, press X, and then you choose cutout, and then go to settings, and you can set it to wherever you want. But obviously we don't want a circle or a feathered circle or anything like that. We just want both of them at 0, and that's how you get rid of track 2's video from your SHAREfactory edit. I hope that's made sense to you, and it's been of use. If it has, let me know in the comments, or drop me a like, because I have many more tricks, because I've been using this for 2 years, but that's the first one I found recently where I've gone, man, I wish I'd known about that a couple of years ago. A lot of my videos would not have that picture-in-picture effect, but that's okay. From here on out, they won't. And as always, my name is Vinny Voodoo, and thanks for watching.
Sam, we've got to get rid of it. Take it down to the crater next to South Knob. It's a tar pit, damn near bottomless. If we chuck it in there, we just might have a chance.